Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, it's 2-for-1 cardio fun with dub steps on the path of least resistance. The dub step is a combination of the double helix and the step up. The double helix, named after the twisted DNA molecule, works your obliques. Stand perpendicular to a step or curve. Step up with your right foot and bring your left knee across your body while throwing your right elbow in the opposite direction so knee and elbow cross paths as you twist up like a wrung out rag. Once you're done with this side, reverse directions. The step up starts by stepping onto a raised step with your right foot, then joined by the left. Bring the right foot down, followed by the left. Once you finish working the right side, then switch feet and work the left. The dub step combines both exercises. Start a set of double helix on your right foot, lead the right foot up and do a set of step-ups. Finish the step-ups with your left foot up and do a double helix facing the other way. Then finish your step-ups starting on the left foot. Dub step cardio is all the rave. Have a training partner keep you going and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Step up your cardio with a twist with dub steps on the path of least resistance. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, do not clip your leashes to the subscribe button.